Okay, so today is day 2 of our new sounds. So yesterday we kind of introduced it and started talking about them, but today we're going to keep working at them along with prefixes. We have some new prefixes to work with as well. So, does anyone remember the sounds we were working with yesterday? 3 sounds, but 6 spellings, 6 ways to spell them. Grayson, you know one? Okay, TCH was one. CK and K. That was one sound, 2 spellings. Yeah. What was the other one with TCH? CH. Good. GE and D.
CK and K.
Yep. We got. And DGE and G. Yep. So those are the 3. We have J and Ch. 3 sounds, but they each have 2 different ways of spelling. Okay? So we're going to start with some phoneme substitution. Are you ready? Okay. I'm looking. Now that's like 6 people went home. I can see everyone's mouths. And there's like 6 less people that I have to watch. Now I can see who's participating. Okay? Ready? Say block.
Block.
Change ah to E.
Bleak.
Say street.
Street.
Change E to A. Straight. Say block.
Block.
Change ah to A.
Flake.
Say spun.
Spun.
Change ah to it.
Spin.
Say brick.
Brick.
Change it to A.
Brick.
Say green.
Green.
Change E to A.
Green.
Grain, like a grain of sand. Say last.
Last.
Change a to it.
List.
Say clock.
Clock.
Change ah to a.
Clock.
Say crash.
Crash.
Change a to a.
Crush.
Say scrape.
Scrape.
Change a to a.
Scrap.
Say trap.
Trap.
Change a to it.
Trip.
Say clip.
Clip.
Change it to a.
Clap.
Say stack.
Stack.
Change a to a.
Stuck.
Say slick.
Slick.
Change it to a.
Slack.
Good. Okay, so these patterns that we're working with are called complex consonant patterns. Okay? So complex consonants, and then we have the different patterns. So we just reviewed them. We have the CK, the TCH, CH, and then D, GE, and GE.
Hold on, I noticed something. If you take this, like all of them, if you just take out the first letter, they're the same.
Yeah, except the G.
Yeah. Okay? So remember, these are consonants or clusters, so a group of consonants together, that have different spellings, but we pronounce them the same. Because we just have to make it tricky. Okay? So we'll review our key words. So for k, we have sock. So why are we using CK here?
Because it's a close
Short vowel. You're thinking of syllable. Yeah. So we have a short vowel. We have the ah in sock. So we use CK. Here, what is our... So it doesn't just have to be a long vowel. It could be anything else other than a short vowel. We just do the K. So if it's not a short vowel, K.
Can we say anything
We'll get to TCH just a second. Short vowel, CK. You say short vowel, CK. Okay? Next we have the ch. What's special about the TCH? Why do we use TCH here? Short vowel, TCH. Can you say short vowel, TCH? Okay? Here we just have CH because there's something in between that vowel. We have a N, the consonant N breaks it up. So we have the CH. Any consonant, yeah. Yep. Okay, then the last one, we have J. So, bridge is special. We use DGE because the short vowel I, the I makes the I sound, short vowel I. So then down here, we just have GE because the A is a long vowel saying the same for cage. Okay? How do we feel about all 6 of them? Thumbs up? Thumbs side, thumbs up. It's only day 2, so it's okay if we're still thumbs to the side. Okay? Okay. Okay. So, I'm going to give you a word up here, and we are going to read the word and identify why we're using the complex consonant that we are. Okay? So, what word is this? Edge. Why are we using EDG? Pranvi, why are we using DGE?
Because it's a short vowel.
Good. What's our short vowel?
E.
E. It says eh. Good. How about this one? Beer. What word is this? Switch. Why are we using TCH?
Because the short I.
The short vowel I says eh. Okay. Good. Next one. Ava. What word's that? Pledge. Why do we use the DGE for the just sound?
There's a short vowel.
What's the short vowel? E. It says eh in pledge. Okay. Deck. Charlotte, why do we use the CK? Short vowel. What's our short vowel in deck? Eh. The E says eh in deck. Okay. Grayson, what's this word?
Perch.
Perch. Why do we use CH?
Because there's a CH with a consonant before it.
Yep, we have the consonant R before it. Okay. Then number 6, Haley.
It's not a short
Right. What's our vowel sound here?
vowel.
And it says what? E. Eek. So we just use the K. We not a CK there. Okay. Olivia. What word's this? What sound is that? Stage. Wonderful. Stage. Okay. What does this A vowel sound say? A. So we use GE because it says A, the long A sound. Okay. Good job. Okay. Mosin. What word is this? Hatch. Why do we use TCH?
Because it's a
Short vowel. Where's our short vowel? Ah. The A says ah. Okay. We have the word match. Where's our vowel in match, Zaina? A. Sahasra, what's our vowel sound say? Ah. So, let's see. Ion, where do we put match? Where does match go? TCH with what's our keyword? Stitch. Okay, so we identified that our vowel is A. It is ah, and Ion got it. Goes with match. Okay, can you turn to page 187, please? Okay, so you are going to be doing the same thing in your book. Find the vowel sound. If it's short, identify which complex consonant we use. Say the word and then write it in the box with the keyword that matches. Okay? I will give you about 2 minutes. 187. Yeah.
them and set out Grant.
Good. I have some friends underlining the complex consonants that they find to help identify them. That's a good strategy to use. You can do a thumbs up in front of your chest when you are done and ready to go over this. There is that no box on this one too. So if they don't follow any of our patterns, then it goes in that column. Just a little bit longer, and we'll go over them. Okay, let's look at these. So our first word, wedge, our vowel sound in wedge is so we use DGE, so it goes with bridge. Our next word is march. Caleb, where'd you put march at?
March.
Yep.
I'm not on this.
Okay, let's look at that one together then. March. Does that go with, where's our vowel sound?
CH.
Our vowel sound.
AR.
Yep. So do we use the CH or TCH?
CH.
Why do we use the CH?
I mean,
No, you're right. No, you're right. Why do we use the CH though?
Short vowel. No.
Because there's that consonant R that separates, that comes after the vowel. Okay? So that goes with branch. Next one we have is croak. Madeline, where'd you put croak?
I'm saying. Where's the K?
Good. With beak, what's the vowel sound in croak? O. The OA says O, so that's not a short vowel sound, so we put it with K. Next one is crop. Crop. Where'd you put crop?
And then
No, it doesn't follow any of our patterns. Change. Like, can I get some change when I pay for something? Veer, where'd you put change?
K.
With cage.
Wait, no, because it has a G-E-N-A-C, so you put it in the and.
Well, this is the ending sound. We're working on focusing on the ending sound, CH. So, good thinking, but we're focusing on the ending CH. Good. Okay, crack. Grant, where did you put crack? CK with sock, because the vowel A says the short vowel, so we use CK. Hatch. Gio, where'd you put hatch? TCH with match because it says a good click. Grayson?
CK like sock.
CK like sock because it has that short vowel. Eh. Good. Mart. Haley, Mart. No. Good. And the last one is judge. Like you go to the court and you see the judge.
With.
Good. With bridge. Very good. Thumbs up, we get them all? Good. Okay. Okay. Moving on to our prefix. Our prefix, our first one for the week is mid. M-I-D, mid. Okay? So, can anyone tell me what a prefix is?
A word that changes like a letter, like letters that change the sentence. A word and it starts and the letters are at the beginning.
Okay, so a prefix goes at the beginning of the word and it changes the meaning. So this is a prefix, so mid is going to go at the beginning. So we're going to talk about that in just a second. So prefix added to the beginning, that changes the word. Okay, your prefix box is on page 188. Okay, so mid means in the
Middle of the night.
in the middle. Our word is midnight. Zeke's little sister woke up at midnight. What would the meaning?
Middle of the night.
You got it. In the middle of the night. Okay? So you're gonna write that underneath a sentence.
Were you in the bottom one too, or the same?
We're saving the other one for later. In the middle of the night.
I got it.
No, I got it.
We both said it at the same time.
Okay. Now we're going to go on to use this in words, the prefix mid. Okay? So the first one is our kite began to plunge mid-flight.
In the middle of the flight. Go.
So the meaning of mid-flight would be in the middle of the flight.
Can you say middle of the flight?
You could.
In the middle?
You could draw it out and say our kite began to plunge in the middle of the flight. Or we can use the prefix mid to just say mid-flight to kind of condense it.
In the middle of what?
The flight. So like if you're in an airplane, mid-flight, you might hit some turbulence.
That means like you go up and down like the.
No, it's
like,
one time it's like
When I went to LA,
Oh no. Okay. The next one. Caleb. Grant. Okay. Turn your chair around. Okay. The next one. Midtown has many small shops and art displays.
In the middle of the town.
Yeah. The middle of the town would be midtown.
the middle.
The middle of the town.
Can I just write middle?
Hold on. How far are you guys into the lesson?
Not that far.
Yeah.
We just are finishing prefixes. If you need, I mean, it doesn't matter either way.
Okay, I just didn't want them to miss this stuff. So I'm gonna have you guys just stay for today and I'll come find you tomorrow. That way they're not behind on this.
So the middle of town, midtown. The next one, the drill caused us to stop our test at the midpoint.
Middle of the test.
Mid-test.
This one's kind of tricky because it's used midpoint,
Middle of the test.
so the middle
Of the test.
point of the test. Okay?
So like the middle question of the test.
Kind of. So if it would have said like mid-test, like midway through the test, but it said cause us to stop our test at the midpoint. So the middle point of the test. So you guys were on the right track for sure. Okay.
We have 2 more phonics.
Okay. And the last one. Mrs. Ling said we need to have our report turned in by midweek.
Middle of the week.
Middle of the week. Wonderful.
Without Jinx, blackout, under a roof back to.
Wait, when is the middle of the week? The week is an odd number.
Monday.
Well,
Like a lot of people say Wednesday's the
Actually,
middle of the week.
7 actually isn't an odd number. Yes, if there's 7 groups of 7, each group gets 1 out of that 7.
7's still an odd number. Okay.
Or if you
Okay.
split
Okay,
it
let
up
me-
into
Okay. So are we ready?
12 o'clock in the evening.
Okay. So our prefix was mid. We will do the other prefix later this week. Okay. So yesterday we underlined our words with the words in our passage that have complex consonants. So today I would like you to read the passage and then we're just going to answer the oral question. Okay?
You already did read it yesterday. Just read it again.
Yeah. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna give you about 3 to 4 minutes. Begin reading the passage.
What page is this?
It's on 184, page 184. No.
Nobody fought through this book.
No. You okay?
Yeah.
are we reading both of them or just one?
Just the one.
Are we allowed to read them?
No, because we haven't underlined it. Okay, once you are done, you can look up.
What?
Once you, I know, I'm just saying for those that are finished early, look up at the board and you can be thinking about the question.
There's 20. Bless you. What happened to your face? Oh, bless you.
Guys,
Oh. Madeline.
What
happened?
Okay.
Go
Okay.
take the mute.
Hey, can you go back to your seat? Madeline, we don't need to be using tools that way.
Go take the mute.
Okay. So, what are some things the kids do when they're at the park? Ava?
Play on the grass.
Okay. Grayson?
Coach me the story. A few times they saw a flock of ducks sitting on the dock at the edge of the pond. The kids would work hard to keep the dogs near the park from barking and charging at the ducks.
Okay. Mayan?
They would be throwing plastic discs.
Discs. Yeah, like frisbees.
They
Yeah.
would
Discs.
They would kick the ball and they would play dodgeball.
Okay, Charlotte? Huh? Okay. Grant? Yeah. Go ahead. Ate lunch. Grant? Caleb? You have one? Forgot? Okay, so I think you guys got most of them. The kids played with their plastic.
They discussed what they would do next week.
Wait. They played dodgeball. Didn't they catch the golden cat?
Yeah, they played.
Well, this is just a few. There's more. Yeah. So,
Hundreds.
kicked back by the pond, ate snacks, played dodgeball, collected and stacked rocks, built forts, ate lunch. Okay? So, there's a lot of things. You guys said more than what's even up there, too. Okay. So, we will continue with the complex consonants tomorrow.
What do we do right now?
So right now you may put your phonics books away and
Math.
get ready for math.